Listen carefully to every word I say. This video can change your life. Have a look at this. Thank you, Tom. I'm just proving that this is actually possible to make money with your strategy. Have a look at this, brother. $3,000. $3,000 he's made, okay, with watching my videos, with drop servicing. Brother, this is insane. At 15 years old, he made $3,000. This video is about the best side hustle for this year, which is drop servicing. Jump on this website called youtubejobs.co, okay? Create a profile. It's a completely free platform that gives you leads, gives you channels for graphic design, for thumbnails, right? It gives you leads for YouTube video editing, for shorts video editing, okay? Also for script writing. Bro, this is absolutely insane. Have a look at this. There are like literally free jobs that are given to you on a silver platter. It's just mind-blowing. When I learned about this platform, I was like, it was insane. Honestly, bro, have a look at this. So essentially, what it's showing you is showing you the channel, okay? Let's go to this channel. Let's have a look at what this channel is all about. So we go to videos. This is the channel, okay? It's basically a fishing channel. So if you're new to drop servicing, what we can do essentially is we can basically get a supplier, right? We don't have to be a video editor. We don't have to be a short form video editor. We don't have to be a graphic designer. We don't have to know anything about the services that we fulfill. And all we do is we get a supplier on Fiverr, supplier on Upwork, okay? We hire the supplier. As soon as we get a client, right, we get a deposit from the client or we get an agreement that the client is gonna pay us, okay? Then we essentially get a supplier on here. We start working with them and we arbitrage, okay? Supplier is usually from Bangladesh. Supplier is usually from India, Malaysia, and similar kind of countries where costs are very low. And then, you know, the clients are usually in the US, Australia, Canada, and things like that. This website is insane. Look, it's showing you that this guy is looking for a video editor that can be hybrid. Hybrid means we can do drop servicing because we don't have to sit in an office with this guy. And he's going to be paying 40 to 75K a year for a, for a video editor. That's absolutely insane. What we can essentially do is we can drop service, for example, get a full-time video editor for, I don't know, 5 or 10K a year, okay, in India, in Philippines, and countries like that. Let's say 10K a year, okay, right? So we can arbitrage 30 to 65K a year. Brother, it's just insane, honestly. But this is not just one listing. Like, you might think, oh, bro, that's insane. Wow, this is really cool. You got one channel name. No, this platform actually shows you the channel names as well. Most of the listings have a freaking channel name. It's just insane. Let's look at some other examples as well. Right, let's go on here. Video editor. So, about this job. I typically make 10 to 15 minute long YouTube videos and I want somebody to work on short videos as well. Okay, so sample YouTube videos. And this is the channel. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this channel. So, basically 35K subs. This is, wow, this is really cool. They're really making a huge amount of views on some of these videos. 600K views. That's pretty insane, right? For such a small channel. Right, so essentially, this guy is basically paying between $500 to $2,000 a month for a video editor. That's pretty cool, pretty insane. I use DaVinci, but I would understand Adobe as well. So what we can do is we get a video editor, hire it at Fiverr or hire it at Upwork, put a margin of double, okay? So for example, if you agree with this guy for $1,000 a month video editing, you can get a supplier from Fiverr or Upwork at $500. You're gonna be pocketing $500 a month. Bro, this is real. You know, a lot of you are saying, man, this is so hard to find clients and things like that. Go to the freaking clients tab. Join my group, school.com/drop servicing. Join the group now. Okay, I demand it. Join the group now. I demand that you join this group now. Because guys like these who are now starting to make money, They were in the group, basically not knowing much about drop servicing, starting to really learn about drop servicing. He's made 25 comments. Look at some of the stuff that he was talking about before. Look, I want to use PayPal's wallet and I have 10% commission. I can pay you 10% commission. He wasn't even able to use freaking PayPal, okay? And then he was talking about crypto and stuff like that because in his country, like, he wasn't able to use PayPal, whatever, right? And then eventually, after some time, I can see that this guy is now actually making money. As you can see, it's on Binance, which is really cool, right? But that's just one of the guys. 13 years old, got my first client. Brother, it's just, I'm giving you all of this stuff on a silver platter. Just go and take it. Take some action. Take action. Watch my videos. Watch all my drop servicing videos. And if you don't get a single client by trying all my strategies, email me. I'll give you some advice, okay? But if you don't watch my videos, just watch one video and then say, oh, I can't get clients, whatever. Bro, you haven't done any work, right? Also, if you send like 5 emails, don't expect any clients. Now, how would you approach them? Well, first of all, if you complete your profile, okay, so add a portfolio, right? Get a portfolio from Fiverr suppliers, from Upwork suppliers, right? Ask for their permission, whatever. Get the portfolio together and you can basically upload that portfolio on here and then you can start applying to jobs. But not only that, also, when you go on YouTube, right, you can also simply use the traditional method that I was telling you about many times in my videos, which is to go to the channel and then essentially get their email from there. Let me show you how to do that in case you don't know how to do that. So you go to the channel, right, who is basically the client on here, and then you click more.
No longer a cow.
Okay. So yeah, you click more and then you click view email address. Click on that, submit, and you get a email. Brother, this is insane. I know that this guy is hiring right now for thumbnail designer. Crazy, guys. Now, that's not everything. Now, let's go on to Upwork.com. Okay, so you want to register on Upwork if you still don't have an account. Okay, so simply go on Upwork.com and register for freelancer account. Okay, what this is going to give you is going to give you access to use Upwork platform to basically get clients for free. This is insane. Honestly, I've spoken about this strategy before on my channel, and a lot of you guys were mind blown. You were like, how on earth? I didn't know this before. I have a lot of people that are new in my community, so I'm going to show this strategy again because maybe some of you guys actually don't know about this. Right. So what you want to do is you want to type in youtube.com in the search bar. So just type in upwork.com/nx/search/jobs, and then on here type in youtube.com. Here it will show you if you're in the US only, if you're in the UK only, if you're in other countries. Whatever this is showing, do not check this because you want to see all the global jobs. As you can see, there's jobs posted all the time. By typing in youtube.com, you're going to essentially find clients who are actually revealing some of their channels on there, so you can actually find you can find clients easily. So let's see, for example, this one. 7 hours ago, YouTube script writer for Christian and Bible content. Let's have a look. So example of the type of scripts we're looking to write, and our channel is, voila, baby. This is amazing, right? So we understand that this channel right now is actually hiring. This is insane, brother. This is completely free for you to apply to this job. Brother, this is just so much value, so much value. Do something about this. 7 hours ago, this person started to advertise this job, YouTube script writer. Go on here, type in YouTube script writing. That's it, brother. That's it, bro. There's plenty of suppliers. Find a supplier, assess the quality of this work, look at the reviews and things like that. Okay, look at the ratings. Ideally 4.9 stars, ideally above 100 feedbacks, better about 1,000 feedbacks or more. Apply to this job. Now, how can you apply on Upwork? You can apply only if you have virtual currency on Upwork, which is called Connect. But here, by using my strategy, by typing youtube.com, you will find actually quite a lot of people are posting their existing channel. So you go on here, you click more, and hopefully they have an email. They have an email. This is insane. Let's click on that. Submit. This is their email and they're hiring right now. Brother, do something about this. Honestly, do something about this. Apply right now. Okay, apply right now. If you get a job, okay, then go on Fiverr and find a supplier. Right, so let's look at this one. Yes, brother. So, editor for Stick Figure History YouTube channel. The channel is, let's go, brother. That's insane. Now we found one potential client who is actually revealing his channel completely free. Posted yesterday. You can apply right now. You can apply on here if you have connects. If you don't have connects, you can apply completely free, okay, on here. So let's go on more. View email address. Submit. Let's go, baby. This is the email that I expect you guys to do something about right now. Honestly, it's insane. Like, if nobody's gonna apply for this job, I'm gonna be super sad. I want more of you guys actually getting clients. I want more of you guys posting, this man really changed my life thanks to him. How much I made with drop servicing. Let's go down as well. I'm gonna show you this one. I like this one. I love this one. $50 web design sold for $600. The power of drop servicing. Let's have a look at another thing I wanted to show you. This guy changed my life. So his video on drop servicing is the only how to make money online video that actually worked for me since I started using the internet. I started drop servicing about a month ago and already on my second client with 2 more lined up. You all don't understand how big this is for me. Brother, this is absolutely insane. All of these posts, I guarantee you, bro, hand on heart, all of this content, all of these comments and stuff like that, they're 100% real. All of these are real people revealing their results and actually writing the truth. People are making money with drop servicing and posting on here. I want more of you guys to actually make money. So do something about it, okay? Do something about it. This strategy is insane. It is absolutely insane. You can literally just scroll down and down and down and actually find, another one. YouTube video editor. Brother, this is insane. Needs to hire 4 freelancers. Looking for a video editor who can help us edit future videos. I'm pretty sure I have seen, you cannot edit videos like this on my channel. Let's have a look at his channel. Brother, this is insane. Another potential client. Let's go to videos. Right, so he's essentially looking for 4 video editors right now. Brother, this is absolutely incredible. Let's click more, right? And we want to find his email address. Where is his email address? No, it's not on there. Yeah, again, he has that on here. info@euromarketing.com. You can apply here. He's looking for 4 video editors right now. If you're a video editor, you can apply straight away in the next 5 minutes. If you are looking to do drop servicing, if you have already suppliers, you can apply straight away. Okay, just send him an email with the portfolio like I teach you guys. Watch my latest 5 videos if you want to know how you should apply, what kind of templates to use and stuff like this. If you don't know, then, brother, honestly, this kind of thing is going to work today, tomorrow, and in the next few days. Honestly, brother, this is really, really, really good strategy. And you can go down and down and down and down. Just go through, I don't know, the latest 10 pages. You're going to find dozens and dozens and dozens of people who essentially post their channels on here. So you can essentially apply to them without even paying any money. And this is people hiring right now. Look, 2 days ago, and stuff like this. Brother, this is absolutely incredible. And then, of course, join my group, school.com/drop servicing. If you're serious about drop servicing business model, join this group and you will not regret. Also, I'm considering to make this group paid at some point when it grows big enough. So join the group while it's still free because you will really learn so much about drop servicing. So if you like this video, I've actually got a 3-month drop servicing mentorship that I've been doing for the last year. I've mentored people from a lot of countries around the world. US, UK, Portugal, Netherlands, New Zealand, United Arab Emirates, France, you know, so many different countries, people from so many different countries. I've taught how to do drop servicing from zero. You know, a lot of them got clients and started getting, you know, payments in 4 figures. So if you want to be the next person, apply on here. Thanks for watching this video. Drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.